In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your PayPal name. To go and change your name, all you want to do is go to the top right where you've got your settings. Just click there, then wait for this to load. It's going to take you to your settings, then make sure you've got account selected. And as you can see, here are all the information. And as you can see here behind my name, there's a change name option. Saying change your name, enter the name that's on your official ID. So make sure the name you enter, the first name and the last name, matches your official ID, because PayPal sometimes do verification processes where they're gonna ask for your ID to go and prove that you're a real person. And that's your full name. So basically, if you're changing it away from your official ID, that isn't allowed. It needs to be exactly how it matches in your official ID. So this is exactly how mine is, and then I would go and click continue. If I'd updated it, but I can't because I'm not making a change. But essentially, that needs to be exactly as it is officially. And when you go and click continue, see, PayPal may ask for official ID to confirm that this is your real name. But yeah, apart from that, that is how you can go and do it, guys. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider living a life.